What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to go over the unboxing, setup, and first use of this DeWalt 22-inch 20-volt cordless hedger. Also, stay to the end. There might be a challenge you want to see. So let's see if this hedger could kill some yard work. Every job requires the right tool, and although I have access to several tools, I didn't have the right tool to make trimming this bush as easy as possible until now. This cordless hedger is model number DCHT820B from DeWalt, and I paid about $150 for it at my local Home Depot. As of the time of this video, this DeWalt 22-inch 20-volt hedger is on sale at Home Depot for $109. There are a couple things that led me to make this purchase. The first being this bush. Anyone else have a bush like this? It grows, you trim it, and then it grows again. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but you just can't leave it because if I did, it would grow across this walkway. I was trimming this bush with a set of shears, which worked great in the beginning, but it's labor intensive, and I'm not a big fan of yard work, so there's that too. I have an older plug-in hedger, but it didn't have enough power to cut through the branches on this bush. Another reason that drove me to buy this DeWalt model is I'm already married to a DeWalt battery system. What I mean by that is I already have a plethora
A what? A plethora
of cordless 18-volt and 20-volt DeWalt tools and batteries to run them. Each of these cordless tools, whether it be a Ryobi, DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, Rigid, or any of the other brands, all have proprietary batteries, which means their batteries only work in their tools. Since I purchased cordless DeWalt tools when I first got into construction about 20 years ago, I've been married to this battery platform. Now, if you don't already have a cordless battery sitting at home, this is going to be a little more expensive for you, but we're going to try and cut that cost down. If you purchase the DeWalt Hedger with battery and charger, it's going to cost you $340-ish. But if you shop around a little, you can find a deal like this one going on at Home Depot. As of the date of this video, you could purchase this kit, which comes with a 20-volt 6-amp-hour battery, a 20-volt 4-amp-hour battery, charger, and then get a free sawzall, skill saw, jigsaw, grinder, leaf blower, or any other tool on this ad, including a router, which I have too, and it's awesome. Video link is above if you want to check it out. You could get 2 batteries, charger, a free tool for $200, then go buy the Hedger off Amazon for $135 and be all in for about $350 after government interference, and be better off than just buying the Hedger with a battery. All right, let's get this thing out of the box and see what we got. And just like the box says, there's just a tool and an instruction booklet inside. The trigger on this Hedger has a zip tie around it which needs to be clipped off before you can use it. Then all you have to do is slide a charged 20-volt battery in and it's go time. I'm going to use a fully charged DeWalt 20-volt 6-amp-hour battery. Let's see what this thing can do. And in minutes, I'm done with something that used to take me about 20 to 30 minutes to do with a pair of shears. Although that isn't a lot of time, the labor needed to trim this bush has greatly been reduced. Well, there you have it. This saves me time and a lot of labor, which allows me to do other things needed around the house. At $150, this purchase was worth it for me. Right now, you can get this for $135. Is it worth it for you? If you end up buying this tool, let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, before you take off, I have these 2 little things. A DeWalt 20-volt 1.5-amp-hour battery and a Ryobi 18-volt 1.5-amp-hour battery. And these 4 overgrown bushes or shrubberies. Are these shrubberies or bushes? I don't know.
A shrubbery!
Anyways, anyone want to see a DeWalt compete against a Ryobi Hedger, which is currently $97 at Home Depot? If you do want to see this, let me know in the comments below. My name is Matt. I'm just a dude, and if I can't fix it, I'll fix it so no one else can. Thank you for watching.